want to say thank you once more for sending us to this special center to learn computer. It is true, in the past I just had a little knowledge of computer through the Intel. But with this training, 2 weeks training, I can boast of many packages in the computer, especially the Microsoft Point and Excel that will be making teachers and the working of results and everything. So I'm promising you that when we get back to the school, we have about 5 computers that are just lying in waste. We are going back to make use of those computers, teach the students, teach our fellow teachers, and even help the Ministry of Education in carrying the lessons to many other places. So,
thank you. That was a long sentence.
I greet everybody. Actually, just like others have said, you cannot thank the Ministry of Education. Because before now, I was feeling very ashamed. As a math teacher, I wasn't able to be using all these PowerPoint to teach. Even this Excel now we just finished. We're supposed to be using it in our report booklets, but we're not using it. I promise that the moment I go out from this place, when the school starts, just like she said, we have computers in our school. We bring other teachers in, teach them, and we will appeal to the school. Let them give us a screen so that we will use it and then project us to teach the teachers and then teach the students. That will really help us to do things better in these spaces.
Thank you very much. Before you continue, madam, I am still very, very conscious of time.
Okay.
We've listened to the 4 speakers. If you have a different project in mind, please raise your hand or you stand and let us know.
No, at least I have to say something. I will go straight really to my faith. So long somebody has given me thanks on my behalf. I am really saying that as soon as I get back to school, I would like to create awareness, if not for any other thing, going to my principal, relating to her what I saw here, and pleading to her really to create a room for this kind of thing, so that our teachers, our students will all have the knowledge of this computer, because it is very, very interesting. So, for want of time, I thank you so much and God bless.
Thank you. Please, you are a man of few words. Anything to say?
Likewise, but I've done my colleagues in promising that I'll spread the news to us.
Thank you very much.
They can come and witness what I represent and equally witness.
Okay. There's something I am looking out for. I have not seen it. You want to say something?
Different from what they said. They said I will get back to school and then make use of the computers around the school.
Well, we have more than 50 computers.
What's your school? Queen's School?
Queen's.
Yes, I'm a witness, I know. Okay, so...
I want to make a wish.
Okay, okay.
I wish that the Ministry of Education will subsidize the course, desktop computers, to enable us to practice at home. Because as soon as we live here, if we don't practice, we forget everything that we have learned. So we need computers in our home individually. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
There's something
So, something different from all that has been said?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a plea, sort of. I would like to thank the Ministry of Education that next time they are bringing teachers here, they should try to make it like 3 weeks, because we have a lot of packages here to learn. That 3 weeks will give us the opportunity to internalize the things that we were taught. I consider these 10 working days small for us to cover the much of what we have to do here. Thank you.
Okay. Any further reaction?
No.
This is a democracy. I hope nobody's right has been infringed upon. My dear friend, you had some students some 2 weeks ago. Sincerely speaking, what were your challenges teaching them? Be very, very open. It helps us in our research. Yes.
There is no much, there's no much problem. You know, anything that somebody did not know, sometimes it will be difficult for that person to know it easier. But I can see that there are